Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to use Canva app to create graphic and designs. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So first of all you will simply open your Canva application. You need to log in your account of Google or Facebook, any of the account you can log in. So when the Canva application have been opened, you can simply design Instagram post as you can see on the screen. You can also design Facebook posts. You can design your stories. You can design logo. So these type of logos, these are the templates of the logo. So there is a flare design. You can simply design flares. You can design posters. So you can design Instagram stories. You can design YouTube thumbnails. You can design phone wallpapers, photo collages, Facebook covers, mobile videos even you can design. So you can also design t-shirts. So you can design cards, you can design invitations, you can design business cards. So you can design documents, menus, like your hotel menus as well. So you can also design Instagram reels. So let me show you that how to design. We will select one of the category which we want to design. So we will design a business card. So we will simply tap on the business card which we want to design. These are the templates of the business cards which will be opened when you will click on the um, and make sure that you have a good internet connection so it will not be slow. It is taking some while, sorry for that. Okay, so the card has been uh, uploaded. So you, if you want to make the changes in it, you will simply write, tap on the these written words like project manager. It is a project manager, so you will simply tap on it and you will double tap it and you will simply tap your name, like we will write Ali. So if you want to add some more details, you can simply tap on it and edit them, like here you can add a uh, like your website, and so downward there is a number. You can simply change the number, and here is the address which you can change it. So this is the process of designing the cards. If you want to delete this of the card, so you will simply tap on the delete option. You will simply tap select, and you, if you want to make a simple card, so you can simply tap on these and so you will simply tap on it and delete it. So this is the simple card we have created. You can even change the color of your card, like we can we will select a black color, so the card has been changed the color. So this is the simple process of using Canva app, making some graphic and designs with the help of Canva. So if you like our video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.